Randy McKee here, Soccer 605 with Coach Doug Noyes with the St. Thomas More girls. Come out, pretty tight game this morning, Coach.
Really exciting game. Groton actually beat us early in the season, 3-2. And so we knew they were playing really tough. We've had a real challenge with being consistent. And so combine those two things together, and I didn't know what was going to happen. I knew that if we played well, we could prevail. And so we did. It's kind of odd. We played with the wind at our back in the first half, and it really doesn't help us much the way we play. But we didn't use it at all, and they scored on us, and which is never a good thing. You kind of hope to get a couple win goals and build a buffer. And then we played way better in the second half into the wind, and we took that advantage away from them. We high pressured them, possessed real well, and created more scoring opportunities for ourselves in the second half.
Well, you see that happen quite a bit, when a team gets faced in a hard win, especially they keep the ball on the floor and look for the next pass, and it settles them down quite a bit sometimes.
It absolutely does, and that's the kind of soccer we play. I play more of a possession game. We like, if Brazil, Arsenal, that kind of ball, and so yes, it's one of the assistant coaches said he thinks it's because that wind in your face makes you focus more on what you're doing, and that makes a lot of sense.
Well, it sure could be. So who was really shining for you today in your team?
I think the defense, except for a moment of getting caught flat and Groton got a goal, I think the defense played a great game. Really kept the number of their chances down. They never had any real quality shots on goal. Had some distance, but mostly everything was the defense kept the ball out of our 18 really, really well.
Well, that sounds good. You have two choices for tomorrow. Who would you rather play?
I don't care, to be honest with you. This is the lowest we've ever come into the tournament. We've never come in outside of first or second. I don't even know if we've ever come in third. And so we've never had to fight out in the middle of the pack before. And so we play number one if they prevail tomorrow. And the way I look at it is that they're the best team in the state. We should beat them if we want to be champions.
Well, you're going to have to if you want to, Coach. Well, hopefully tomorrow we'll see this wind die down a little bit, but it sounds like it's going to keep going on us. So we'll be there watching, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be talking to you at the end of the game as the winning coach again.
I hope so, too. Thanks, Randy.
Good luck, Coach.